Look at your car! Ronaldo, it's a mess!
Seriously? This is ridiculous.
Your whole family is poor, Ronaldo.
What? No, they're not! Hello, send me a truck which carry my buggati. See the time, you are too late. Let's carry the car on truck.
Yes, sir, right away.
Oh, it's sliding. Almost there. Is it secure?
Set! All right, lowering it now. Careful with the leaves. Almost there.
Let's get this dust off. Good luck with that. Almost there. Looks better. Let's clean this car. Let's get this Bugatti clean. Washing the sides now. Almost done. Looks perfect. Let's get this backside perfectly clean. Time to make this car perfect. Nice and even. Almost there. Finished. Looks amazing. What a mess in here. Okay, let's get this seat out. Need the screwdriver. Almost got it. Oh, it's very dirty. Whoa, this car is a mess. Let's get to work. This steam cleaner is powerful. Now for the passenger side. Much better. Good as new. Oh, it was so tough, but you don't do any work or time to subscribe my channel. Love you. Wiping away all this grime. Now for the hard to reach spots. Almost there. Looking good. Time to get this engine spotless. Now for the oil. Perfect, good as new. So guys, our car is ready. Now we test it in the road.